Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sorium. For those of you that are new, welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I decluttered and organized all of my baby's clothes. So she has been growing really fast. She is like in 18-month clothes right now, and she just turned 1. So I had a lot of clothes that just didn't fit her anymore. I still had like 6-month clothes in the drawers and in the closet. So I wanted to show you guys me going through it, organizing, and getting rid of the stuff that doesn't fit her anymore. So I'm starting off in her dresser, and she has this really tall dresser in her room. So I'm starting with the first drawer, and I have in here just shirts, t-shirts, and the little t-shirts that clip down at the bottom. So I went through all of those, and that little bit that was left there is all of the stuff that actually fits her now, so 18 to 24 months. So I had a lot of 6-month clothes in there, and like 6 to 9 month and 9 to 12. The 12 is kind of a little bit snug. It still fits her, but it's just a little bit snug right now, so I'm trying to put her in mostly 18-month clothes right now, just so she's comfortable. So the second drawer here is her pants. So I'm just going through them. All of the ones on the left are the pants that just don't fit her anymore, and then the ones on the right over there by the big letter A are ones that would actually fit her right now. So I'm just going through them, checking all of their sizes, and folding them back up, because I have a huge plastic container at my feet that I'm putting all of those clothes in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save all this stuff, and if our next baby, whenever we have a next baby, is a girl, then I'll have all this stuff, and if it turns out to be a boy, then I will, I don't know, sell the stuff or donate it, but I'm holding on to it for now. So now I'm going through her pajama drawer, which is the third one down. All of these were really small. They were like the little sleep sacks were newborn size, so they were really small. So this one I found was 18 months, and this one still has its tags on it, and it was way too small, and this one also was way too small. So the last drawer at the bottom of the pile, or at the bottom of the dresser, is blankets, so I didn't have to do anything with that. So now I'm just going in and moving into her closet. So she has a bunch of stuff hung up, jeans and like dressier shirts and dresses. So I'm starting with the stuff on the very right and kind of just working my way back, and I have a little like a cubby storage in the closet right underneath all her clothes. So as I'm going through them, I'm just popping the stuff that I know doesn't fit her like on top of that storage unit, just so that I don't have to keep bending over a million times, because I am trying to keep things nice and folded and organized and neat. So I'm just gonna go through all of these, and then when I'm done with everything and everything is cleared out, then I'm gonna go in and put all her new stuff. So all the stuff that she got for her birthday, and just random stuff that I've been buying whenever I get around to going to the store. So I'll get back to you guys when I get to that point. So I am just moving on to the side of her closet. So this closet had this random bar on the side. So here I had kept her sweaters, her like jackets, and like hoodies and stuff. So I'm going through those because a lot of those were really small. And I'm just getting rid of the ones that were teeny tiny and just leaving the ones that would fit her now and are a little too big for her. So I cleared that out pretty good. I left like 4 or 5 in there, and it's pretty empty. So now I'm just going to go in and put away all of her new clothes. I'm just hanging those up. Some of these already had hangers, so I'm grabbing all of them from where they were at, kind of like on a chair. And I'm just going to hang everything up and make sure everything is nice and organized. What's that? Messing with mommy? Mommy trying to get some stuff done? Be in the camera. Look. Who's that pretty girl? Who is that pretty? Stop. Look at the boogies. Okay. Yeah. Look at this crazy hair. Give you some bangs. Oh, look at those bangs. Look at those bangs. Wow, taking it back to what, 2002? Emo 2002 look. Okay, all right, let's go. So now that I have everything in the closet all hung up, I'm just going to put away the few things that I wanted to fold. So we have some like cute sweatpants, some more t-shirts, things that aren't as dressy that could just be folded up and put it in a drawer. So I had a few pieces that I wanted to put in here, and then I think that's about it. Alrighty, so that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some motivation to get some things done. And if you did like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!